Today I'm telling you all about my 4-week Pilates for Life challenge. Here we go. If you're here listening to this, you probably know me from YouTube. Hopefully you come and check out the workouts that I have for you here and all the informational videos. But I also have an amazing community called Unlimited. So it's an online community where we offer a full library of workouts. We have hundreds and hundreds of workouts that range from 5 minutes all the way to 50 minutes. All different kinds of workouts, from Pilates to yoga, lifting weights, mobility, bar workouts, getting on and off the floor workouts to carry you through your life. We also have recipes and a members only podcast and inspiration and an amazing community of people, including a free app so you can do all of the workouts from your phone. So Unlimited is a place that I spend a lot of my time, and a few times a year we offer challenges over in Unlimited. And we do challenges in a way that's meant to empower and encourage you. You will never, ever be asked for before and after pictures or measurements or any kind of numbers. We don't care about that in Unlimited because it doesn't matter. What matters is how you feel in the body that you have, in the stage of life that you're in. And I want to encourage and empower you and help you feel safe and strong in that body, in that stage of life. So we hold challenges in Unlimited to help us all do that. And on October 1st, 2023, we're starting our next challenge that I'm calling Pilates for Life. This will be 4 weeks of Pilates-based workouts meant to show you how Pilates can meet you and serve you throughout life. So we're going to focus on how Pilates is for you, that you get to decide what's best for you, whether it's a beginner workout or an advanced workout, that you get to start to make choices that feel good to you in your body. We'll then focus on Pilates for strength, meaning showing you how Pilates can help your muscle strength. We'll do some different workouts, and that way we'll even add some dumbbells to that. Then we're going to focus on Pilates for fun, because I believe movement, especially if we're going to be consistent with it, should be fun. So we're going to focus on how Pilates can really be fun in our bodies. And then finally, bringing it all together with Pilates for Life, showing you how no matter what stage of life you're in, Pilates can meet you there. I have, at different stages of my own life, recovered from numerous surgeries, including a hysterectomy. I've given birth quite a few times. I have had different injuries in my body and shoulder pain and posture and balance and all of those things. And Pilates has always met me and served me in some way during those times. And I want to pass that on to you as well. So we're going to have workouts, again, for beginner levels. If you've never done Pilates before, this is a great chance to check it out and see what it's about. If you've done Pilates for a long time and you want to see how you can progress it or how you can add some fun different routines, this is a great way to do it. We have new workouts for you that I have filmed just in the past week, including a Pilates with washcloths routine. All you need is 2 washcloths at home. Combination cardio and Pilates workout, combination Pilates and dumbbells workouts, including so many others. And I would love to have you there. So this 4-week challenge, in addition to all of our challenges, are always free for our Unlimited members. In addition to access to the challenge, as I mentioned, you get access to our entire workout library, our free members app, all of our recipes, our members only podcast, and an amazing community where you will feel supported and encouraged. We start the challenge October 1st, and I'll have the link to join us below. I would love to have you there.